The old play kitchen stood in the corner, a simple wooden frame with plastic knobs and a small sink. It was meant for little hands, perfect for kids around 3 to 6 years old, a magical place where imagination could run wild. Lily looked at it, not just as a toy, but as a canvas waiting for her touch. Her goal was to transform it into a culinary wonderland, a space where little chefs could dream big. The first task was to make it more functional without breaking the bank. With some chalkboard paint, she turned one side into a place to write menus or draw kitchen scenes. Next, she added a magnetic strip to hold little spice containers, each filled with colorful pretend spices. A small, battery-operated faucet was added to the sink, allowing for even more realistic play. Each upgrade was simple yet added so much to the kitchen's playability. Little hands started to explore, turning knobs, writing on the chalkboard, and organizing pretend spices. The kitchen became a hive of activity as kids cooked up imaginary feasts and hosted tea parties. A little girl named Mia flipped pretend pancakes on the stove, while a little boy named Tom pretended to wash dishes, their creativity blossoming with every action. The upgrades had unlocked a whole new level of play. Lily wanted to make the kitchen even better. She added a small, personalized nameplate to the front, creating a sense of ownership. She also hung a small chalkboard menu board, where kids could write down their daily specials. She imagined other themes: a pizza place, a bakery, or an ice cream shop. All possible, with a few simple changes. The kitchen was more than a toy now. It was a place where dreams were cooked up and shared, a space that sparked their imagination and made every playtime an adventure. The children continued to play, their laughter echoing in the room, each new day bringing a new culinary adventure.